Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Salamullah barakatuh.
Sheikh, when I went to my mosque, I found out that the Imam was already in his ruku, so I hurried to join the row, made my takbiratul ihram. But then when I was going to my ruku position, I heard the Imam said, Sami Allah liman hamidah. So this made me doubtful whether I get the ruku of Imam or not. In this doubtfulness, should I add one raka'ah and do sujood sahwi after my salam or not?
Okay, so Fawzan's question happens to all of us. We enter the masjid, everybody's in the ruku' position, we stay or stand in the row, we say Allahu Akbar. As we're going down, we say Sami Allahu liman hamidah. Now I know that the Imam says Sami Allahu liman hamidah as he's rising, which means I'm not that sure whether the Imam and I were in the ruku' position or I was going down, he was going up. Why? Number one, if I am certain that when the Imam was in his ruku' and I said Allahu Akbar, and as I was going down, I'm certain that he raised his head and I could not catch the rak'ah. In this case, definitely I have to perform an extra rak'ah. Possibility two, I said Allahu Akbar and I bowed, I did ruku', and I'm 100% certain that I and the Imam were in the ruku' position at least for a second. And then the Imam said Sami Allahu liman hamidah. Then my rak'ah is valid and I don't have to add anything. Third scenario, I said Allahu Akbar. As I was going down, the Imam said Sami Allahu liman hamidah. Now I'm in doubt. Did I catch him in the ruku' position or not? I'm not sure. I'm not certain. Am I inclined to one of the two opinions? If the answer is yes, I'm inclined that I didn't catch him. Or I'm inclined to that I did catch him. But there is no certainty in both ways. In this case, I have to act upon my inclination and offer sujood as-sahw afterwards if I had missed more than one rak'ah. If I didn't miss any rak'ahs and I'm inclined that I caught it with him, I don't have to offer any sujood as-sahw. If I'm doubtful, I'm in a limbo, 50-50, can't tell. In this case, benefit of the doubt, I have to assume that I did not offer ruku' with him and add a rak'ah afterwards. And after salam, I also add two sujood of forgetfulness or sujood as-sahw, and Allah knows best.